Just to give our viewers a perspective of the 3%, to be honest, I had a case study. I'll open it supposedly. With all the stress,
yes,
ang return is 2%, 1.5% per month. The point there is that 2% nakikitain mo net on a case study. Sobrang stressful. And you're talking about millions. So, if you see an investment that gives you a very conservative range of gains, I would go for a less stress kind of investment.
Siyempre, Izanagi is stress-free. Halos. Kasi wala na kayo halos iisipin dito. So,
Yes.
root word po dito is passive income po siya. Something like that for a passive income is still very good. Sabi nga natin kanina, real estate, maganda na investment yon, pero hindi passive yon. Nagmamanage ka pa ng property, hanap ka pa ng kliyente, etc.
Repairs, all of that.
Repairs, everything. Sakit pa sa ulo yan for 5%.
Yeah.
You say that's good. Here, wala ka na isipin. 30%.
And that's why I understand our investors who invest this much, who put 2.5 million pesos, that they are perform what? At this rate, 40% to 1 million, 2 million pesos nyo. Wala siyang ginagawa and is earning that much. How much is this? 600,000, 700. Diba? Nag-diversify kay Izanagi. Ito pa isa. 9 million pesos, 8 million pesos. Ito yung thinking ng mga mayayaman. Okay, I would invest to something that would not give me less stress in managing it and could give me returns na steady.